All right, this is the video for number 3 and number 4. So our new note is F. This is where our thumb is covering the back hole. Make sure your thumb is going at an angle. Your thumb should be pointed 45 degrees or halfway, not flat, not straight up and down, but at an angle. So thumb is playing F. Remember, we always start with our tongue. T. Now, same as before, we're going to hold it for 4 beats. 1, 2, set. Now you know you're ready to move on when you can hold the note without it bending, start it without any squeaks, and play it nice and confidently. Now let's look at number 4. Clap, count first. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we gotta figure out what note names they are. Let's review. E, G, B, D, F. E, G, B, D, F. These are the lines of my treble clef. Yeah, spaces, ready, go. F, A, C, E, F, A, C, E. Spaces spell my face. So, these notes are inside that first space. That means F, A, C, E. It must be F, because spaces spell my face. So, these are all F. Put it here, and we rest, and then look up here. Does that change? We went from being in the space to going back to being on that line, and that line was G. So now let's show and tell. You're going to show me the note and tell me its name. 1, 2, ready, go. F, 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 F. Rest, 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 rest. G, 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 G. And that's it. Now let's play. Remember, you're going to touch each note with your tongue. 1, 2, set. All right, guys, have fun practicing.